With this paper gasket, I've got to cut a hole in the middle so I can drop it over the half shaft. You don't always have to use a pair of scissors. And I know there's going to be some of you out there who say everybody knows how to make a paper gasket, but I thought I'd make a quick video just in case somebody didn't know. I started by marking the edge with a mucky finger and then just basically tap it with a hammer. You're trying to hit it on the edge of the steel to cut through the paper gasket. Ideally you should use a small ball peen hammer such as this, but I haven't got one. I mean, back in the day we used to use cornflake packets and fag packets. Just make great gaskets them. Once I'd done the inner bit, I did exactly the same with the outer bit. After that, I run my thumb around the top and I'm looking for indentations. Make the indentations so you can see them, so you know where you've got to hit. As I said before, ideally I could do with a small ball peen hammer, but as I haven't got one, I used a spanner. But it's the same principle no matter what you're using, you're just trying to hit it on the edge of the steel. So it acts like a pair of scissors really. You can see a bit clearly here where I'm just hitting it on the edge until the centre part of the paper just falls away. I always try and leave a piece of paper in the hole, that way it holds the gasket in the same place for you, you ain't got to worry about it moving about. And there we go, just as if it had been pressed. Hope this has helped somebody, and if it has, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.